Good morning, everybody! We are at the island of Il Doleron. Uy, yummy! Gusto niyo fit pics? Wow! Pretty! Sorry. Sorry. Ay, maana! Gagalit na ako.
Nagagalit na siya.
Sakit ako.
Sí, tu vas a tromper, si no viene pobre.
Good morning, everybody! Wait lang. We are at the island of Il Doleron, or we call it Oleron Island in English. So yeah, we are now, like, it's just a day trip with me and my parents because my father is on vacation, mom is on her day off, and I am on my day off also. So we said, why not grab the opportunity to go on a day trip in an island here in France. And it's just 7:43 a.m. So we departed at home at 4. We arrived 3 hours and 43 minutes after here in the island. Yeah, it's a long ride, but it will be worth it. So I don't know the agenda, but the first agenda is my parents are there. As you can see, we are getting clams. I am in my all white outfit as usual, since I love white outfits. I have my camera ready, I have my phone ready, and you are here with me. So yeah, we will have so many pictures. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo yung tawa ni mama, pero tawang-tawa siya. But yeah, I think I will just tanggal my slippers kasi grabe yung putik. Low tide ngayon. Ang dami nyo ng seaweed na makikita, oh. And now I will be going. Tawang-tawa si mama. I will be swimming. I will be following them. Oh my God. Andun na sila. I don't know if you can see them. Hindi ko ma-zoom kasi. Tapos ako, andito pa rin. Malapit pa rin ako sa shore kasi I'm walking bare feet and it hurts, bro. Ang sakit sa paa. Ano yan? Acupuncture. Pampabilis ng blood flow sa paa. Naka all white pa si ate. Uy, munti ka na tayo. Putik. Grabe yung putik. Wait. Nakarating na ako. After na. At ayan sila. Tamang audience impact kasi hindi makayuko. Naka-white. Go! Tamang cheer lang. Go! Kaya nyo yan, guys. Grabe yung paa ko. Pakita ko lang yung paa ko. Yummy! Gusto niyo fit pics? Dami na?
Parang tulia.
Patingin? Oh, saya na siya. Masaya na siya. O, alis na tayo. Doon yung isa. Hi. I am now at the shore at last and look at the state of my feet. Can you see that? So we don't have like any water to wash our feet, so I'll wait for my mother and my father who's deep on hunting their clams or getting their clams, and I will just be waiting here, soaking up the sun, soaking up the vitamin D because it's just 8:30, so hindi pa masakit sa balat yung araw. And yeah, I think I will just read on my phone and then wait for my parents. That is it, and I'll update you later. Umutot ako, narinig nyo ba? Basta yun na yun. Ganda ng nanay ko, wow! Pretty! Ka-pretty naman yan. Sana all. Pretty and sexy. Wow!
Laba? Tupo labi laba?
Ano pa ako, dumi. May si putik ko sila ba?
Si putik?
Uy, si putik la ba?
Oh, Diyos, si putik. Si putik na.
Saan ako magugas? Ang dami ko pang dala-dala na ano. Ito medyo malalim dito.
Salamat, no?
Ay. And here's the view up here. You can see the port. And there is, ewan ko kung nakikita nyo sa vlog, but there is the long bridge connecting the island from the mainland. And then, ito yung ano, low tide. Grabe yung low tide ngayon. Wait, can you see? Grabe yung low tide. Hanggang dun pa. I don't know if the beach here is low tide then. I wish not though. Kasi malayong lakaran yun. And yeah. We are now currently walking on the side of the castle. Kasi ito lang yung open. Yan. Like parang barrier sa kaaway dati. And also for the dagat kapag magtaas yung dagat. And yeah, that is the information I got from from reading the panos or the tables. Tables. Ano ba yung pano sa English? Basta yun na yun. Billboard? Hindi naman billboard. Yung billboard malaki. Direction. We are now entering. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo nag-enter.
Entering ba to? Hindi sortie?
No, it's entering may.
Hindi tayo pumasok kanina dito?
Hindi.
Wala na. Ano na ako?
Nawawala ka na.
Trabaho ko, no?
Oo.
Napasay pa ito talaga.
No, napapasay si mama. Update. Where are we? Saan tayo?
Tuwag ko.
We're just walking on the road na madaming restaurants. We're not going in a restaurant yet, but we're just walking. Yeah, that's the only update. Hindi ko alam kung saan gusto nila pumunta. Saling ket-ket lang ako dito. Sunod lang ako. Bibili ata si Papa ng ano? Ng boat ride. So yeah, iniintay namin si Papa ngayon because he's going back to the car.
Talagang mag-i-English.
Oo, he will he will be getting the car and magpa-parking siya dito kasi may parking dito. And we will be buying tickets to go to Fort Boyard. Ano nga yung Fort Boyard ko ba?
Kasi pa.
Sorry.
Parating mo naman doon.
Sorry. Gusin mo ngayon ano? Ay, maana! Gagalit na ako.
Nagagalit na siya.
Ayoko na.
Pikon.
Bakit ang jokes
Pikon.
mo?
Totoo naman eh. Bali the board the boat. Après, on va aller au restaurant quand on return. Après, on va à la plage. Là. Oui.
Uy. Yun lang. Now at the boat. We are now at the boat. Getting faster and faster. I don't know if you can hear me kasi grabe yung hangin. be going over here. If you can see. Hindi ko na ma-zoom. Naka 2 times my life. So yeah, we are going over there. In that small prison. Update, 5 na lang kami dito sa taas. Kami na lang. Cheer! Kami na lang nandito kasi yung ibang passenger sa ibang island, bumaba sa isang island. We call it Ildex or X Island. So, yeah. And we are going back na. And we're gonna eat. And we're gonna eat mussels and fries. It's been a while since I ate mussels and fries. So, we are gonna eat mussels and fries. And yeah, we have the production crew at the back. Hi. We are currently sunbathing under the sun. My parents are on the water, pero ako, nagpapa-tan ako. Oh, so yeah, update. Regarde. Oh, c'est bien chaud. C'est bien bon.
Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas, no?
Na sobrang alat.
Ha? Nakatry sa nilo. Para may Pilipin la.
Allez, viens.
Il y a des fois, c'est pas. Il y a des fois, sud. Si, tu vas tromper, you know, puis la fois après.
Sarap.
Sarap mo eh, hindi na init. Sa una lang malamig. Ikaw ang bilis mo mag-ano eh. Ako, unti-unti lang.
Ano, unahan na kaagad para ano, gulatin mo ba yung katawan mo?
Ganun ba yun?
Oo.
Papa mo, hindi talaga, no?
It's already 3 p.m. and we need to go back home. tingin na ba? Tingin siya. So yeah, we are going back to the car and then go home. So I will end the video here. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you liked it. Ikaw yung tawang-tawa eh. So,
Ba't yung accent mo?
ano ba yung accent ko? So we gotta say bye guys. Sige na nga, magbabay na nga ma. Bye, love you. Mwah.
Bye-bye, I love you pa na.